Are you tired of struggling with the same old garlic presses? Meet the Garlic Press Rocker. This innovative tool makes mincing garlic easier and more enjoyable than ever. The Garlic Press Rocker minces garlic effortlessly with a simple rocking motion. Why is this product a game changer? First, it's incredibly easy to use compared to traditional presses. Second, it simplifies cleanup, making your cooking experience more efficient. Finally, it delivers high-quality minced garlic for all your culinary needs. Using the Garlic Press Rocker is a breeze. Just place your garlic cloves underneath, rock the press back and forth, and watch it transform into perfectly minced garlic. It's that simple. This versatile tool isn't just for garlic, it can also handle ginger and herbs, expanding its usefulness in your kitchen. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about its sturdy design and ease of cleaning. One reviewer said, "Works great. I liked it so much I bought them for my kids too." Others note that it outshines traditional garlic presses. In summary, the Garlic Press Rocker is efficient, easy to clean, and versatile. Whether you're preparing a weeknight meal or a gourmet feast, this tool is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Order the Garlic Press Rocker now and make garlic prep a breeze. You can purchase this product from any state in the US. The link to the product is provided in the description below. Please click the link to make your purchase. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you.